Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video I will teach you how you can convert your PDF into JPG. Let's suppose you have a PDF file and you want to convert this into JPG, so you can follow these steps. You need to open the browser or Google search. So here you have to type PDF to JPG. Okay, so we just need to open this. So here you can see that I love PDF. This website is very useful for editing the PDF. So we need to open this. So this link will pop up. So here you can see that we have to select our file, PDF file. Okay, let's suppose I want this PDF file and convert into JPG file. So I select OK. So now my file is selected and it has 8 pages. So here you can see that page to JPG. Here is the quality which you want. If you want the good quality, high quality, then you can select here high quality. Okay, so next you have to click on convert to JPG. So it will take some time to convert your file into JPG. It depends upon your internet speed, so we have to wait. So we can see that when the process is complete, then we will get this window pop up to download the JPG image. Okay, so we have to click here, then we will get this download file. So we just need to click on start. So the download is completing, so we have to click here, open the folder. So here we have the compressed file, so we have to uncompress this one first. Okay, so here is a page. Now you can see that our PDF file is converted into a JPG file. So here you can see that this is the first page and second page, third page. So it's convert all the pages into JPG file format. So in this way you can easily convert your any PDF file into JPG. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.